Ciak, si gira.
Hello and welcome to this episode of Lush Reveals. My name is Finley and I've got some very exciting things to show you today. We've got a special guest that's going to take you through the Diwali range, and then on top of that we also have a mid-autumn range which I think you're going to love, with some very, very gourmandy fragrances. Also, make sure you stay to the end of this video for all the cool Q&A stuff that we've got at the end. Ow, that really hurt. Without further ado, let's talk about Mid-Autumn Festival. You are going to see Tessa explain exactly what Mid-Autumn Festival is all about.
I'm from Greater China here. Mid-Autumn Festival is a traditional festival on 15 days of the 8th lunar month, when the moon is fullest and brightest. We have family reunion, having mooncakes to symbolize unity. We celebrate the togetherness, and it actually brings our family closer under moon night. It's a joyful occasion with delicious food, the beauty of the full moon, and it also creates cherished memory with our loved ones.
Thank you very much, Tessa. Let's get into these products. First up, MoonCake Bath Bomb. Now this honestly smells as good as it looks. It is fragranced with sticky dates, which means it's delicious, delightful, it's gourmand, it's caramelly, it's sweet. Basically just smells like a really lovely sweet treat, which is exactly what a mooncake is. Mooncakes are gifted to friends, family, and colleagues before the Mid-Autumn Festival, so it's just like a lovely little thing to share with people. Next up, Snow Mooncake Bubble Bar. Now this one is scented or fragranced with huge, fresh, minty, delightful, refreshing. And in case you didn't know what a snow mooncake is, it's basically, well, Mid-Autumn Festival is held obviously at a time of the year when it's still quite warm. So the snow mooncake is actually like a cooler alternative. So it cools you down, which is nice. So we got a cool version of it. Next up, Harvest Moon Shower Gel. Now what's super exciting about this is it actually has a brand new fragrance. It's really floral and actually smells like osmanthus tea, which is really quite yummy actually. Got to give it a whiff. Oh, that is quite exquisite. It's almost like a sweet tea floral is how I describe it. It smells actually really quite nice. As part of the Mid-Autumn Festival range, we also have a gift set. Now this gift set includes the Mooncake Bath Bomb and the Snowy Mooncake Bubble Bar, which you'll be able to see just in. These products are going to be launching on this date. What's exciting about this launch is for the first time ever, it's going to be a global launch. Usually this is just for Greater China and for Japan. So I'm actually super excited to see this make its way onto the global stage. How exciting. And the one that I'm most excited for is probably Harvest Moon, because it smells like bubble tea. And I really, really like bubble tea. You know, someone actually introduced me to bubble tea recently and it's changed my world. Let's talk about the 2025 Diwali range. Mango Lassi, Prakash Bath Bomb, Delight and Decadence Massage Bar, and Mango Kulfi Body Conditioner. I'm going to hand you over to the co-creators who are going to tell you all about the inspirations behind these gorgeous products.
Hi everyone, I'm Sara Deb and I come from Lush Roma Corso. I was born in Rome, but my father is from India. So for me, Diwali holiday is very important because it reminds me my roots, where I come from, and what I want to carry forward. During Diwali holiday, we love to sip our wonderful mango lassi, and that's why we created our mango lassi shower gel. Why not? So inside you have mango, you have vanilla, absolute. So it really reminds me these memories of me and my family sipping this wonderful drink together. And also we have our mango coffee body conditioner. We have the same ingredients, but then we have the mango butter that makes the skin super hydrating, and a surprise, we have the shimmer in it, so you can sparkle during Diwali holiday.
This bath bomb is named Prakash after my nana, who is my maternal grandfather, and it was the perfect fit because not only does it honour him, but Prakash also means light and decadence, which is what Diwali is all about. This one has a gorgeous new rose scent, which you might recognise from Mother's Day a few years ago. And I chose this scent as it's the exact same fragrance as a hair oil that my nana used to always wear, and so it always reminds me of him.
Hi, my name is Shruti and I helped co-create this beautiful little massage bar. It's me and John's creation. The entire idea behind this was to make something which encaptures the entire feel of Diwali, which is just warmth, elegance, and just glowing from inside and out. The massage bar obviously is based out in cocoa butter, which helps you feel very nourished and good for your skin. It also has a lot of sandalwood. It also has frangipani absolute, which all in all makes it very warm and elegant, which in my mind is what Diwali is all about. It's a little homage that I've paid to my family and how we have created Diwali, all about the warmth and good and just velvety desserts all around. But yeah, that's a little bit of that. It does leave your skin feeling very shimmery and smooth. Has a bit of shimmer, which I like to go ahead and just layer out all over my body. Yeah.
And that was the Diwali range. Thank you so much, Sarah, Shruti, and Himani. That was amazing. Thank you. The Diwali range will be out on these dates. We asked you, the Lush community, if you could design any merch for Lush, what would it be? Now, we had 159 comments. There are so many good ideas. In fact, what's really, really cool is actually someone from the team that deals with all of the merch and lifestyle items actually reached out to me yesterday and said, can we use some of these suggestions? To which I said, please do. The first comment is from @LushDisneyWife13. I've been wanting Lush pajamas for years with lots of different bath bombs and shower gels on them. What a great idea. I love this. I would love some Lush pajamas too. Exclusive bags specific to each shop. It's also a way to collect for each special Lush visit in a new place. Let the shops create it with the customers in some type of way, but on the thick canvas cotton material, not the thin cotton ones, lol. I completely agree. I know exactly what you mean. I want a car air freshener in big or grass or maybe dirty. I think the money I spend on body sprays and perfume for the car is daft, and they'd be cute on my dash. That's a great idea. I love that. I would also love a car air freshener because I too like a nice smelling car. @Matthew Trickett, I'd like more useful things like a Lush branded hairband to use when wearing a face mask, or a toothbrush, or an egg timer to let you know when it's time to take off the face mask. It could even be smart and connect to your phone, stroke smartwatch, and count towards mindfulness minutes. Ooh. I just want to say thank you so much for leaving comments on the videos. We absolutely love going through Q&As. We read so many wonderful comments. So thank you so much. Also, there's going to be so many more. Like, we're really loving doing this. So there's going to be a lot more Q&As coming up. So make sure you stay tuned. Also, thank you to Kira for the amazing animations. I looked fantastic. I particularly enjoyed the one where I had like the shirt on and I had like really skinny legs. Thought that was really quite fun. Thank you very much for tuning into this episode of Lush Reveals. Now, we covered so many wonderful, great new launches and had some fantastic guests. So thank you very much to the co-creators for talking us through the Diwali range. So thank you, Shruti, Sarah, and Himani. That was absolutely wonderful. Also, I hope that you guys enjoyed the Mid-Autumn Festival range. That was fantastic. I can't believe that this year we finally got it globally. It's going to launch globally. That's so exciting. Thanks very much for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!
If I should say I will always be in your way.
Beautiful.